Alright, we're gonna rock out with this Instagram filter because it's quarantine and my braids is busted. I'm finna take them out, but I'm gonna do this video first. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I create my branding materials, like my labels, my tags, thank you cards, anything that I use for my business, I make it. Yeah, and it's quick, easy, and cheap for the most part. So
we gon' make it, you know it. We go to war with whoever. I stack that money forever. We put that money together, got us. Pour out the payment, we never gon' measure. A whole lot of tax, I ain't never.
okay, the first thing I'm gonna show you guys how to create is a product label. This is a product label I created for my hand sanitizer, and I printed it at home myself. It was quick and easy and cheap. So the first thing I do is create a design, and I use Canva to do that. Canva.com, it's an app as well. You can do it on your phone. But I create a design, and when I create my designs, I kind of look at like other products in that industries and see how they have their labels and see like get inspiration for mine. So I came up with this simple label. I didn't want it to be too much or anything like that, so I just wanted it simple, straight to the point. It's just hand sanitizer. Okay, so in order to print your labels, you need to get you some Avery paper. This is what I use. They have other brands too, but I like Avery the best. I'm using the glossy clear 2x3 print to the edge rectangular labels. And every Avery label packet has a code number on it, and that's just so you can find the templates on their website. So okay, so now I'm gonna take that code number and type it into the search bars. 22822. Okay, enter. And what pops up is the template, or you can just buy the paper online too. So I click the template, and then you can download some on like if you have these softwares. But what I'm gonna do is just start designing online. This comes up, you select the orientation you want it, or they have different templates for you that you can go by. But since I create mine in Canva, I just have to upload my design. So I click that, and then I go down here to customize. And I just grab what I downloaded from Canva and just drop it in here. And boom. This is asking me something. But I'm just gonna drag this. Okay, so I stretched it out so it can fit in the entire rectangle. And now I'm just gonna hit preview and print. And it's gonna give me a warning because it's outside the lines, but I got print to the edge paper. So just continue anyway. Alright, so once you do that, they all come up on one sheet of paper, and then you're just gonna press get PDF to print, and then you're gonna open the PDF. Mine is already open. Oh wait, that's not it, is it? This is it right here. So I'm just gonna print this out like I normally would do. Print. Let me load my paper into my printer. Hold on. So with the printer I have to put the paper at the bottom. So I need to put the paper in upside down, which is, this is the back of it, and then this is the front of it, because when it prints, it's gonna come up like do that way, if that makes sense. But if your printer goes like on the top, like you put the paper in on the top, you just put it in the right way. So I'm just gonna put this in here. And so now just print your design off, and it's gonna come out real cute. Alright, so now that you printed your labels, you have these really cute labels, and when you peel it off the paper, they're gonna be clear. I don't know if y'all can see like the details where you peel it off at, but it's gonna be really cute. So once you print them out, you can just stick them on your bottles, and this is how it looks. This was the final outcome, and I'm gonna do all of these. I also make my own thank you cards. I use Canva to do that as well. I believe these are 4x6 or 6x4, and it's super easy to make. I didn't follow a template or anything like that, and I got them printed. I didn't print them myself. I could have, but I didn't. Alrighty, and a website I use to get my things printed is Vistaprint. It's one of the many. I like Vistaprint because they're always throwing deals and they always have a sale or promotion going on, so I like to use them. And this stuff comes pretty quick as well. So for the thank you cards, I got a postcard. I got the postcard because of the paper thickness. I want it to be actually thick. It was horizontal, 4x6, and I got standard paper and a glossy front, so it shines. Click start designing, and since I created my own design, I can just upload it, or they have templates you can use as well. So once you click upload my design, your own design or whatever, you click my computer, and then you go to your design and go to open. And let it download. It's trying to play me. Hold on. And just stretch it out to the full length. And boom. And you can preview it. That's what I like about Vistaprint. You can preview how stuff looks beforehand. And I want my backside blank, so I'm not going to do anything to that. Alright, so these are my actual thank you cards. This is how they came out. Nice and glossy, white on the back. And it's pretty thick. So these are some clothing tags that I got made. Well, I made myself, but I got them printed from somewhere else. You can also print these yourself too. Avery has paper for like almost everything. They have business card paper, thank you card paper, labels, stickers, all that stuff. They have it. So this is the design I made. I know I needed extra room right here for a hole, because I know a hole has to be cut. So I also got those printed off of Vistaprint as well. They have hang tags, paper bags, all that. And these are the hang tags I got. I got rectangle. I think mine are horizontal as well. And they were the smallest one, 2x3. And they're just standard. And they are uncoated. And these are how my tags came out. You poke that hole through, and then you can tag it on your clothes or whatever you sell. Purses, hair, anything. So for my business cards, I do the same process as the thank you cards. I use Vistaprint for those as well. Or you can get them printed at like Staples, Office Depot, or Office Max, whatever. Alright, and these are my business cards. Nice and simple, cute, straight to the point. And you know everything that I sell. And my number, contact info. And if you scan that, it goes straight to my Instagram. Alright, these are some more things I use to brand my hair collection. These are bundle wraps. And I just kept these very simple. These are satin bags I put the bundles in, or wigs. And these are some hair tags that I put on my hair bundles or wigs. And yeah, it has my Instagram, my website, hair care instructions. Simple, cute branding.